Hello everyone, it has been 2 months since we launched the Bot Starter Kit and this is our first ever update. First of all, we receive a great response from you all. Many people contacted us to share your automation, bots, CRM integration and some other unique application. You have unlocked new ways to use the Bot Starter Kit and we are really happy about that. We love to cover all of your projects in future videos. Thanks again and now let's dive into the updates. In the bot strategy documentation page, if we go to the change log in the bottom, so this is the current version, that is 1.1.1. so the first one for the major release and this is for the minor release and this one for the bug fixing. So the first one, pass data to with endpoint flow without endpoint. So this might make a confusion in your mind, but if you go to the flow and click the pass data when sending the flow, so this is a new way to send the data to the flow without the flow endpoint. So this tutorial only available for the bot strategy users. The second one, phone number configuration. So I just click this one, phone number configuration. So here, how to add the phone number, WhatsApp profile picture, WhatsApp profile description, create QR code for chat, creating command. So this tutorial only available for the bot strategy users. Third one, interactive button. As of now, if you want to create the buttons, there's only way you should have to create the template. So if you use the interactive button without template, you can able to create the button for your message. That is a good way. So in the left side, we have created a separate section for the interactive button. So I hope you love it, this one. And the fourth one, that is responsible for this one, bug fixing. Code base modified for echo the text messages. If you want to send any of the messages, previously you have to add all the logic, but if you set up everything correctly based on this documentation and after setup complete, if you send any of the text message to the bot, you will get the echo message. The fifth one, capture the webhook response for interactive button. So if you are creating the interactive button, you should have to capture the response, which button user has selected. For that purpose, we have added this how to capture the webhook response for the interactive button. So that will available in the webhook response, this one and this one, right? This is for TypeScript and this is for JavaScript. Finally, we have modified that start from page. So we have updated this one and we have explained it very well with some use cases. And that's all guys, and this is first ever update in our application Bot Starter Kit, and thank you so much.